Very well. Hello, this is Fit Industries, Mandavila. As always, this is yet another miscellaneous video in my YouTube channel where I talk about random shit. I think I did a video a couple of months ago where I was talking about the different types of trans voices that are usually common. I hope people like that. This has nothing to do with it. By the way, I trained my voice a little better, so if I wanted, I could sound. One second. If I wanted, I could sound like this, but I'm not gonna do this the whole video because fuck that. This is gonna be an unboxing video because I like to keep you guessing, guys. I finally got a game that I was wanting to get since 2019, 2018, I don't remember. It's been almost 4 years since the last time I played this game once in a board game club in Cordoba, and now I finally got it and it's finally mine. It's funny because I actually bought mistakenly the biters for the box. So like, one second. I accidentally bought these things, which are the things that help you keep the pieces in order, which come separately from the game itself. The useful things that they came with labels and everything. So here will go the worker tiles, here will go the small cards. I had to build this by hand, by the way. They came in like a kit that you would like punch out, and then you will build it with like actual like with like glue. It was a lot of fun. It took me 2 days. That was honestly lovely. I love working with my hands. But it's gonna be even more fun to finally open this fucking box that I've been waiting for this thing to get to me since fucking a month actually. I think mid-December I bought this. And as of right now, it's January 13th. So, without further ado, let's fucking open this thing, okay? Okay, let's see. Let's be as careful as possible with this thing. So we're gonna open it here. We're gonna just take off the tape, the goose tape. Okay, how does this unfold? Okay, it's there, and this here. Is that a single piece of cardboard? Where's the lid? Is this a lid? Where? Oh. Okay. There you go. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, I think it's upside down. That's the light. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, the exosuit. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's here. It's finally here. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this thing is heavy. This thing is fucking heavy, guys. Look at this shit. Oh my god, this is gigantic. This thing is 3 feet in here? Yeah, they should, I guess. Okay. Yeah, that thing is big. That's a big boy. Oh my god. Oh my god, just feel the texture. Oh, that's lovely. Feel the plastic, so smooth. So I don't even want to open this thing. I just want to fucking hang this of a wall. Like, that honestly looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. So this is the, get the fuck out of here. This is the Essential Edition. This is the Essential Edition. So David Turshi, I think, with Victor Peter and Richard Amann, Anachrony Essential Edition by Mind Clash Games. Awesome. For 2 to 4 players, it takes 30 minutes per player. So it takes like an hour with 2. It takes 2 hours with 4 players. It's for 15 years. Okay, so this is the Essential Edition. It doesn't have any of the expansions, any of the miniatures, any of the minis, any of the cool stuff. I could buy that stuff, but I don't care. All I care is I have the base system. So, command mighty exosuits, traverse time rifts, and lead your path through cataclysmic future in this epic sci-fi board game. It is the late 26th century. Earth is recovering from a catastrophic explosion that exterminated the majority of the population and made most of the surface uninhabitable. The surviving humans organize along 4 radical different ideologies: harmony, dominance, progress, and salvation. Living in isolation in the safety of their capitals, the 4 paths maintain a fragile but lasting existence. Peace. Now an even more terrible cataclysm is looming on the horizon. An asteroid is heading towards Earth, but thanks to the recently discovered time rifts, the paths won't be caught off guard this time. It is up to their leaders to prepare, survive, and reunite the world under their banner once the dust settles. Worker placement with exosuits. Enhance your workers with exosuits to protect them outside of your path capital. Specialized worker management system. Recruit workers of 4 different types, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. End game twist in gameplay. Prepare for the impact and adjust your strategy. 4 radically different factions. Choose the path that fits your playstyle. Greater playability. Explore countless ways to victory. Engaging science fiction world. Immerse yourself in the vivid, detailed background and story of Anachrony at anachronyboardgame.com. Look at all these look at all these honors, like all these badges and medals. Like, this is a classic badge. Like this thing, oh, it's up to 3 custom dice. The funny thing is that with these dividers, the box that came with these things to build these things actually gave me its own special type of dice. Folded space. It's a really nice. It's a basic D6, but it's really nice. It's real cute. The sheen and the blue tone. It's really pretty. So anyway, time to pop the cherry, I guess. Look at the spread of this thing. Like, this takes a full fucking table. This table, I don't think that would contain this game. It barely contains the box as it is. Okay. Okay, let's do this. This Essential Edition includes the base game of Anachrony, custom water, rock, and resource cubes. Okay. Here we go. Careful. Careful. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come on, there you go. beautiful. Okay. Time to open the box. By the way, I don't know if you can tell, I have a fan on because it's fucking hot here in Argentina. I hope my lipstick lasts. Okay. Here comes the box. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, just feel this thing. Oh my god, this is good fucking cardboard. This is some good printing quality actually. Like, this is like really good resolution. You don't see pixeling, you don't see anything weird. It's like really, like, god, just for the slickness of the presentation. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now that's a fucking beauty. This is the rule book. This is the full, like, the full fucking rule book. Oh my god. Holy shit. It's 25 pages total. Yeah. That's like this is the sign that you have an interesting game in front of you. When the rule book is like a full book, like this is not a pamphlet, okay? This is not a 2-pager. No, this is not a 1-pager, right? This is like a full pamphlet. You could have like a full comic, a full fucking short story here. Oh my god. And also the quality, the printing quality is really good. The quality, like these are heavy pages, like this is thick paper, thick, good quality paper. I'm gonna be checking this out later. Oh nice, oh nice. It all comes in its own little packets. Oh cool, it comes with its own little bags to separate it. Oh, that's really cool. I mean, I'm still gonna be using this. Like I'm gonna be taking, like usually what I would do is I would keep these original bags, and in fact I'm gonna keep the bags because I could use them for something else some other day. But the idea is that this thing is gonna go inside of here, and I'm gonna be like placing things in the thing. Eloquent as always, Mandy. Okay, let's take one thing at a time. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's another good sign of a quality game. That's a way to keep score. Oh, that's good. I don't know what you're supposed to do when once this thing runs over. I think I could print more. Maybe I could like photocopy and print more, or I could just draw it by hand. I don't know. Okay, this is gonna go off the table. Look at this! This is like a little box. This is so neat and small. I think this is for this, I think. Oh my god, I wanna eat this. Like I wanna put it on like a breast pocket and like pull it off and flick it off. God, that is so neat. Nice. Oh, it comes with extra bags. Oh my god, it comes with extra bags. Now that's I never saw that. What the hell? Oh my god, it comes with its own little Ziploc bags. For I guess if you want them. I don't know why. Wow, that's like, whoa, that's actually like a lot. What the hell? Oh my god, this is so much. Oh, this is an embarrassment of riches. This is an embarrassment of bitches. Oh my god, look at that shit. Look at the apples. Oh, that's lovely. Oh fucking god. Every cent. Worth it, every cent. Every dollar, it was a dollar well spent on this. I'm gonna keep this off here. Oh, that's cool, with its own little stands for cards and pieces. Oh my god, I'm gonna be cannibalizing a lot of these for my D&D campaigns, and maybe. Here come the 3